advisory in effect from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. The National Weather Service in Marquette has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Hazardous weather. Expect sustained southerly winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts as high as 45 miles per hour on Monday. The highest winds will be along the Great Lakes shoreline areas, from Munising to Two Hearts on Lake Superior, and from the Garden Peninsula to Manistique along Lake Michigan. Impacts. The strong winds may break tree limbs, leading to sporadic power outages. Driving high-profile vehicles may be difficult at times, especially on roads at exposed locations along the Great Lakes shorelines. Precautionary preparedness actions. A wind advisory means that frequent wind gusts of 45 to 57 miles per hour are expected or occurring. Prepare, plan, and stay informed. Visit www.weather.gov/MQT.